What if Codex could ask the GPU already in your PC for a second opinion, without giving that local model control? Codex GPU Helper is an independent Windows x64 companion. Codex remains primary. The helper adds an optional read-only local MCP reviewer. Start at thalanai.com and copy the guarded install prompt into Codex. Codex finds the highest complete official pre-release, confirms the owner and repository, verifies its SHA-256 checksum and GitHub attestation, and asks before launching the unsigned installer. Setup creates time-stamped backups, previews a dry run diff, and changes only helper-managed blocks. Unrelated Codex settings and instructions stay intact. Installation never downloads or loads a model. After restart, passive health and planning calls check provider availability, hardware headroom, and system pressure without inference. Automatic routing considers only installed, catalog-supported, validated models. For a bounded review, Codex sends only the text it selects. The helper cannot browse files, run commands, edit code, deploy, or replace Codex's judgment. Every conclusion is advisory and must be verified. Standard work can route to registered Quithos through LM Studio. Quick or GPU busy work can use a smaller Ollama route. Single flight locking and pressure refusal guard against contention. Providers remain loopback only, while ownership safe release avoids unloading models the helper does not own. Its own review model unloads when the review ends. We use GPT 5.6 and Codex to design the architecture, build the app and installer, test its safety boundaries, and verify the release. This is an unsigned Windows x64 pre-release, so SmartScreen may warn. It includes no model weights and no LAN worker feature. Hardware fit and performance vary. Possible cloud cost savings are not guaranteed. Codex GPU Helper. A local second opinion under Codex's control. Explore it at thalanai.com.